USB 3.0 Superspeed, up to 5 gigabits per second data transfer speed. Fast USB-C to USB adapter. Plug and play, OTG adapter. No additional driver/software needed. Simple Thunderbolt 3 to USB adapter. Support side-by-side use, won't block adjacent USB-C port, which may happen on adapters with no cable. Country of origin, United States. Premium material ensures durability and maximum flexibility. Bend it to any angle you desire when you connect it to your USB-C devices, as many as 10,137 times. It won't heat up when you charge or transfer data with it. No more worries about heat damaging your connected devices. Extend storage of your new USB-C smartphones. Compatible devices: MacBook Pro 2016/2017/2018, MacBook Air 2018, MacBook 12-inch 2015/2016/2017, Chromebook Pixel 2, Pixel XL, Dell XPS, Surface Book 2, HP Spectra X360, Lenovo Mix 630, HP Envy X2, Nintendo Switch, Samsung Galaxy S8/S9, Google Pixel 2, iPad Pro 2018. Dimension: length 0.9, 2.3 centimeters, width 0.6, 1.6 centimeters. Work with original Apple cable side by side. 1 year with 724 customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Free ports. Bought this because of the previous model I had was a box that blocked all my other ports when plugged in. Love this device. It is the same size as my MacBook charger. Looks and feels like an Apple product. Would recommend for anyone.